Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install the Kali Linux on a virtual machine. So for this purpose, first of all you should have the VirtualBox installed in your machine. So if you don't know how to install the virtual machine, I will put it on the link of this video on my description of this video. You can see that in there. So for installation of the Kali Linux, you first of all you should open the virtual machine, then go for the new. After that you should click the Kali Linux, and after that you you can select the folder, or if you want to change the folder of installation you can change it. Otherwise you should put it as a default and come to the version. From here you can select the version, go for the Debian 64-bit. if you have the image of the Kali Linux with 32-bit, then you can select this one. So mine is 64-bit, and I select this one. And after that you can you can click on the next option. After that you can you should determine here the amount of the memory or RAM. So I recommend it that put it at least 4 GB. If you have computer with more than 32 GB, then you select more. You are free to select more than 4 GB. After that you go for the next, and here you can select the amount of hard disk. I will put it 30 GB, and now click on the next. So after that here is some detail about your machine, and then click on finish. Before starting the installation, go for setting, and then select the storage, and after that you have to select the controller IDE and click right here, and after that remove the controller like this. After that you can select on plus option or add option, then you can select your image which you have downloaded it. I select the Kali Linux from here, and click on open. So after that click on choice. After this step you select the OK. It's time that you start your installation. So click on start button. It will take a little bit time. So after that this window will be appear. Here we are interested in two options, graphical install and install. So they have not too much difference, just the graphical is prettier. So you select the graphical install and press the enter button. Okay, so after a few seconds these options will be appear. So you can select here your language. I will select here the English, and you are free to select your language. So after that you click on continue. You have to select your location if you want to have the correct time zone. So I will select the United States and press to continue. So after that you can select here the keyboard can select the keyboard. I select the American English, and then press to continue. In this step, some installer component will be loaded from installation media. So you have to wait. So after set some network configuration, this page will be appear. So here they want you a unique or a single word hostname. You can type here like Kelly or other thing. Just click on continue to continue the process of installation. And here it wants you some domain name. So this is something that you leave empty. So now it wants you to enter your name. You can enter your name, but I recommend you that don't write your actual name. You can give any other name, like I will give here the Mr. Hacker. So after that you click on continue, then also continue. Here it will be ask you the password. So here you give some password. I recommend you to give a strong password here, because later may you catch by the hacker. So I will type my password. So after typing my password, I will go for next option for the next step and click on continue. Here you can select the your time zone to have the correct time. So I will click. I will select the Eastern and continue. Here you have to select the guided use entire test, the first option. Don't go for the manual or other thing. Just select the first one and continue. Here they just give you some notice that all the data on the desk you select will be erased, but not before you have to confirm that you really want to make the changes. Just it is a virtual machine, it is safe. Just safe to continue. Just click on continue. So after that, here some other option will be appear, like separate home partition or separate home whatever other thing. Just you click the first one, the all file in one partition. It's also recommended for the new user. You just select the first one and go for continue. So after that, select the finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Just continue. And here they will ask you to write the changes to disk. Yes, I will select the yes. Continue. Here in this step, some stuff will be installed, and it will take a long time. During the installation, it will ask some other question as well. So I will pause the video and I will come back after it will become complete. So in this step, you just put the default checked options. Just go for the continue. So after the completing the installation, this this page will be appeared. So it asks you that do you want to install the grab booster, the grab boost loader on your primary drive. So I recommend you to select the yes. So now during the installation, some other question will be appear and ask from you. This is such, it will ask you that do you want to install the grabboot loader on your primary drive or not. The grabboot loader is a software which load the Linux kernel. So you should select the yes and click the on continue option. So after that you select the next option, not the enter drive manually. Select this one, the div/sda, then click on continue. So after a moment it will become completed the installation. So as you see, the installation is going to finish. Okay, now in this stage our installation is going to be finished. So just click on continue to reboot or to restart the Kali Linux. Okay, now the system is going to reboot. Okay, now you see that our Kali Linux is going to install successfully. Okay, just insert here your username and password that we made during the installation. Okay, our installation is become completed, and now the Kali Linux operating system is ready for use. Thanks for watching.